Hey there, welcome to part 4 guitar tutorial for Bohemian Rhapsody, Brian May from Queen. And this part of the tutorial will focus on the triplet pattern just after the rock section. So we've come out of this. Yeah, and we've gone that bit, right? All of that kind of juicy stuff. So I'll just play along with the backing track first so that you can get your ears into it, and then I'll break down exactly what I do. And that's just those little parts right for this tutorial, part 4. I played it a little bit quickly then because the backing track's a little bit slower than the way that we play it in the band. Those cats let loose and I'm like, whoa, and I'm like, oh, slow down sometimes. You know what it's like when you're playing live, right? You get the energy going and stuff and everyone's like, whoa. And it can run away, so you've got to be careful about that. And it's probably your job as a guitar player to say, dude, I've got to play fast triplets here. Slow down. Anyway, we start this off coming out of right, and then you're up to this. Again, lots of palm muted with my right hand here. So that's 9, 11, 13, 11, 13. Right, you see that all right? That's the first part. The second part is all triplets. Da, 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 da. Palm muting. So we've got. Alright, let's start on 11, 12, 14, 11, 12, 14, 11. So then down here to the 4th. And that's playing with a fret in between each finger. And just 3 notes, 3 notes, 3 notes. So we have. That's the last one. Notice the last note, I'm trying to use my pinky on it, which enables me to get my other 2 fingers in place immediately to play a power chord. Yeah. So. Alright, on this last one I'm doing here, I'm not sure if it's identical to what Brian May plays from Queen on this Bohemian Rhapsody tune. You know, he might play 1 or 2 notes less, he might just do, he might do that. The reason I put a couple of extra notes in is that it sits better with what's happening in the band and what the keyboard's playing with his crescendo or his sort of arpeggios going up the scales, and because we definitely put a bit more space in there than what Queen will do, we sort of elongate it a bit, so that's why I do it this way. Like that. And it's slowing down as well as you're going. So whereas the others are in time, this is all in time. 2, 3, 4. This last one is. It's called a rallentando, right, when you're slowing down. Right, I'll play up to speed with the backing track. Into that lovely solo, that juicy singing solo, right? Which I will do in the next video, part 5. But I hope that gives you a breakdown of what's in that chunk of Bohemian Rhapsody. Again, on the original tune, I think there's a couple of guitars. These, you know, these. I think they're played in harmony. I can't remember. It's a while since I listened to the original, but I think they're played in harmony. But if you're in a band and you're the only guitar player, this is what's worked really well for me, and the crowd goes bonkers when we end the set with this. So there you go. If you've got any questions, any comments, just please do let me know below. And I tell you what really helps is just to hit the like button. It's free. Likes are free, you know what I mean? And it helps these videos get out to a wider audience. I really appreciate your attention and your focus, and I hope you get a lot out of this, and I hope it sort of helps you to think about developing your own style for your guitar playing, which I cannot stress enough. Stick around for part 5. Just click on this link if you're interested. Cheers.